In this video we'll discuss about bedtime routine for a peaceful sleep. Hey there, friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about a bedtime routine for a peaceful sleep. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for these tips. First things first, let's set the mood with some soft music and dim the lights. Then, it's time to do something that relaxes you. Whether that's reading an uplifting book or practicing some deep breathing exercises. Next up, get your cozy pajamas ready and hop into bed. But before you get to comfy, make sure to give yourself a quick body massage. As you do this, imagine all your worries and stresses leaving your body through your fingertips. Once you're all relaxed and comfortable, close your eyes and take a moment to tune out any distractions around you. Then, focus on creating a mental list of everything you're grateful for in your life today. Keep repeating this list for as long as you need to feel truly content and at peace within yourself. Finally, when it's time for bedtime stories, ask Alexa or another voice assistant to tell you a calming bedtime story that helps lull you to sleep. And there you have it. That's my favorite bedtime routine for a great night's sleep. Thanks for tuning in today, friends. I hope these tips help you relax and get a fantastic night's sleep. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content like this one. Until next time, sweet dreams.